From fake designer bags to even toothpaste, U.S. Customs and Border Protection monitors all kinds of counterfeit goods shipped to our country.
As an agency, we are a border enforcement agency, a national security agency, and so it's really vital that we ensure that only genuine articles are being imported, and especially that those articles are being sold to consumers in a state where they are genuine, valid, and not harmful.
It's why Elena Van Horn, chief of the Intellectual Property Enforcement Branch of CBP, wants you to know about a new law that protects consumers by establishing new requirements for online marketplaces. The law is called the Informed Consumers Act, and it requires online marketplaces to collect, verify, and disclose certain information from high-volume third-party sellers.
This regulation, it applies to marketplaces. It broadly defines marketplaces as any platform that facilitates a sale, not only a sale, but payment, storage, which cuts broader than any previous legislation on this topic.
The law, which went into effect late June, applies to sellers on those marketplaces that conduct 200 or more transactions totaling over $5,000 during a continuous 12-month period. Marketplaces must also acquire and verify the seller's bank account information, government-issued ID, tax ID, and contact information, in addition to certifying any changes annually.
When there is a high volume seller that makes over $20,000 in annual sales, the platform has to provide clear and convincing information on who the seller is, who the manufacturer is, where are they located, and this is the most important, is how to reach them.
If they don't abide by these violations, the cost is heavy. According to the FTC, violations could result in civil penalties of more than $50,000 per violation.
The problem is for years you could have counterfeit products and stolen goods that are sold online. And again, the marketplaces know that these products there's something fishy going on. And again, it's like, oh no, it's not us. Well, the Inform Act requires some accountability.
Consumer watchdog Teresa Murray with the U.S. Public Interest Research Group, or PIRG, says this law is a major step towards helping cut down on counterfeit items and bad sellers.
For example, with a lot of the counterfeit goods that come in, everybody knows they're counterfeit, but these sellers continue to sell them. It basically allows people to not be, hidden in the shadows as much anymore. You can't hide. So it's a way for the online marketplaces to track people who are the most egregious offenders.
So the next time you buy something, remember your rights, know your laws, and look for the signs that a marketplace is following the guidelines before you make your purchase. With this Watching Your Wallet, I'm Caresse Jackman.